Need powerful bass but short on space? Today we're covering the top 5 best shallow mount 10-inch subwoofers, perfect for tight installs without sacrificing deep, punchy, low-end performance. First up, the Kicker CVR104 is a trusted name for tight spaces and big sound. Rated at 400 watts RMS, this subwoofer features a rigid polypropylene cone and a durable santoprene rubber surround for maximum excursion and long-term reliability. Its shallow mounting depth makes it a perfect fit for truck boxes and slim enclosures, while still delivering powerful, punchy bass. If you're after a reliable, hard-hitting subwoofer that doesn't require a massive box, the Kicker CVR104 is an excellent choice with Kicker's legendary build quality. Next, the Pioneer TSA2500LS4 offers outstanding performance in an ultra-slim package. Handling 300 watts RMS, it uses a glass fiber and mica-reinforced cone structure for lightweight strength and quick responsiveness. Its low-profile design fits perfectly under seats or into slim custom boxes without sacrificing bass depth. The oversized cone structure increases air movement, providing stronger bass output than many other shallow subs in its class. If you want punchy, musical bass in tight spaces, Pioneer's TSA series is an affordable, high-performing solution. The MB Quart DS1-254 brings serious bass performance into a tight form factor. Rated at 400 watts RMS, it features a heavy-duty stamped steel basket, a UV-protected surround, and a durable paper mica cone that produces clean, tight bass. This sub is designed for minimal mounting depth without compromising low-end power or clarity. If you're looking for a shallow mount subwoofer that balances affordability, durability, and crisp bass output, the MB Quart Discus series is definitely worth considering. If you want competition-grade sound quality in a shallow design, check out the Sundown Audio SLD10D4. Rated at 500 watts RMS, this subwoofer uses a high-strength composite cone and a large, optimized motor structure to deliver deep, clean bass even in slim enclosures. It's built for serious daily drivers who don't want to compromise on sound just because space is limited. Sundown Audio's reputation for durability and performance extends to their shallow series, making the SLD10 an excellent choice for high-end stealth builds. Finally, the DS189S10.2D is a slim powerhouse made for aggressive bass in compact spaces. Rated at 400 watts RMS, it features a durable pressed paper cone, a 2-inch dual voice coil, and a reinforced basket for extra structural integrity. Designed to handle high power in a shallow frame, the IXS series delivers surprising output and clean, dynamic bass that works well for daily driving or show setups. If you want loud, clean bass from a sub that fits almost anywhere, DS18's IXS 10.2D is a strong contender at a competitive price. And that's our list of the top 5 best shallow mount 10-inch subwoofers. Which slim bass machine will power your setup? Comment below and subscribe for more expert car audio gear reviews.